Wait, what?
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Lake County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern King County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois,
Elgin,
northwestern Cook
Hoffman
County in
Estate,
northeastern
and Crystal
Illinois
Lake.
until 11:45 p.m.
This is for McHenry County.
At 10:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lakewood or near Crystal Lake, moving southeast at 25
looks like the city
miles
of,
per hour.
oh my god.
Hazard.
The city of
60
Crystal
miles
Lake
per
has
hour wind gusts.
affected.
Source, radar indicated. Impact,
It looks like
expect
Lakewood
damage to
over,
roofs,
what's located
siding, and trees.
over Lakewood has impacted.
Locations impacted include Elgin, Hoffman Estates, Crystal Lake, Carpentersville, Mundelein,
Wow, what's
Algonquin,
located over
Lake, Indiana the Hills, McHenry, Woodstock, Hunley, Grave Lake, Libertyville, Lake Zurich, Round Lake, Waconda, Barrington, Island Lake, Cary, Gilberts, and Hawthorne Woods, including the following interstate: Interstate 90 between mile markers 55 and 58. This includes Lake County, Illinois Fairgrounds, McHenry County College,
Montana,
McHenry County
Quad City,
Fairgrounds, and Marine
Glasgow,
Hills State
Montana,
Park.
Mill
For
Valley,
your
Nebraska,
protection, move
Milwaukee,
to an interior room on
Wisconsin.
the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's